is there always. Anytime,
something can happen.
because next court hearing में suppose anything happens and उसको ये कर दिया तो
Correct.
But it's not worth it now. He should simply come over to India and he should.
Why would he? He himself says he's bankrupt.
see the moment that he says, but the moment he comes to India, the first attempt will all the people whom he has trapped and gone will be to eliminate him.
Eliminate him. So he's scared of his life.
Yeah.
They will eliminate him immediately
Because
because
he'll spill the beans.
That's the only thing he is arguing in court, because if I'm extradited to India, then I cannot guarantee the future of my life here. First he said the jails are very bad in India. Then he said hospitals are bad in India. Then all things were improved. New sale block was considered
but
for
they
him.
can always say no. If you have done something to India, this one. If something happens to you, why should we bother? But they are
Yeah,
to
they
give
are also-
citizenship. He has paid so much money to them.
So they look for
Correct.
whether he is getting proper
So no.
services or
Correct,
not.
correct.
Where even if he is
Because
a
he is their
fugitive.
citizen, no? So
Yeah.
they have to see in that.
I mean, they have standards so high that they even look for rights of fugitives. So
So all these things.
But really, you're fortunate.